Hello there! Today I'm doing a room tour video because I think I have a pretty cool room and I haven't done a little tour. So, we are now in my sort of desk area. As you can see, I don't do much work on my desk because there's lots of shit there. This is a nice little bearded sheep that I got from a place in Africa where my grandpa lives. It's quite nice. There's some odd bits and bobs. This is my pinboard. This is all the stuff that happened this year, which is quite cool, I guess. These are packets from when I went to America. And then this is my photo wall all across here. Photo wall. Here's my photo wall. And those are all photos from when I went to America. Then, if you come over here, oh, this is my bookshelf. Surprise, this is my bookshelf. There's a whole lot of other stuff on here though, other than books. And then here is a poster that I made for a movie. It's a design project that I did. Pretty proud of it, so I printed it and put it up in my room. Then these are two drawings that I did of Elvis and John Lennon. This is a Green Lantern poster thing. This is my record player, it's very cool. My record player is very cool. You should always listen to your music on records because it's the way to go. Then this is my lovely couch. And it's amazing.
It's called the Cloud.
Yeah, because it's really, really soft and amazing. Then over here,
This is sleeper couch.
this is my cupboard. It has no doors because they can't open because my bed's here. So I had to take the doors off. So this is Windows 1 and this is Windows 2. Oh. And my gran really wanted me to have them, so I thought that they were clearly important, so I put them up on my wall. This is my little bear that someone gave me for my birthday. And this is a little bunny that I got when I was in New York last year. Because we were there at Easter time, so I thought I should get a little rabbit for Easter time. So, and this is my favourite chair ever in the whole world.
Be nice or leave.
Because it's so comfortable. And then over here is my unicycle. Thank you for joining me on my room tour. It's lovely having you. I will see you some other time.
I feel like I'm the MTV Cribs people.